How you doing? 2009 Chevy Silverado. The passenger side heat stays cold. I replaced the hot cold door motor. As I watched the hot cold door motor, it went to cold every time. I'd set it on the hot side and it would just go straight to cold. So I'm going to try the control head, which is this piece on the dash. In order to get access to it, you need to remove this panel. This panel, what you do is you just grab hold of the panel at the top, one side, one corner at a time, and pull it out and work your way all the way around. It's held in with clips. And this is the style of clips that's holding it in all the way around. So work your way around it, pull it out from behind the steering column, and drop it down. And now there's like two 7mm screws, one here and one there. Take them out, and then you'll take the panel out, and you can unclip the connectors and connect a new one. I'm gonna take it out. All right, I got the two screws out, and the panel just drops right down. All you get out to do is push in the little clips and unplug them. This goes for the radio also. If you need to replace the radio, you need to pull this panel out first with two screws, and then the radio is held in with its own 4 7mm screws itself, 2 on each side. Just take those out, and you can pull the radio out and unplug it in the back. Same thing, just like those, okay? So I'm doing this to replace this control head for no heat on the passenger side, so we're gonna continue with that. All right, I got it all back together except for my panel. I got control head in there. I got this side set at 60, it's cold. I got this side set at 90, it's warm. The engine's not fully warmed up, but it's getting there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go up with my temperature. And now it should be getting warm. And it is, it's getting warm. Okay, so I fixed the hot cold door by replacing control heads, but I replaced the motor first. So yeah, you win some, you lose some. But at least you know, if you replace the control head, the motor, and it just goes straight to hot or cold, then most likely you got a bad control head. Control heads are like 600, some 700 bucks new, 300 bucks remans if you can find one. I found this one on eBay for 100 bucks. It's a little bit better condition than the one that was in there, but I'm happy. Okay, and that's it. If I helped you with this video, that's cool. If you could appreciate if you could help me by subscribing to my channel, that'd be great. If you already did subscribe, awesome. Thank you.